ongoing operations in Sunjwa military camp, 3 terrorists have been killed so far. The third terrorist was also wearing army combat dress and was heavily armed, similar to the other 2 terrorists killed previously. AK-56 rifles, under-barrel grenade launcher, ammunition and grenades have been recovered from them. During the sanitization of residential quarters by the Indian Army commandos, bodies of 1 more JCO, 2 Jawans and father of a soldier have been recovered, all of whom were killed by the terrorists in initial stages yesterday. So far, 6 fatal casualties have occurred, to include 2 JCOs, 3 Jawans and 1 civilian.